is a cooler that seriously punches above its weight class, the ID-COOLING FX360 INF. If you're looking for that 360mm AIO performance without the high-end price tag, this is one you'll want to pay attention to. So what makes it stand out? First, you're getting a full 360mm radiator paired with a Gen 7 pump. This setup is rated to handle CPUs with a TDP of up to 350 watts. In simple words, it's more than capable of taming powerful chips like an Intel i7 or a Ryzen 9. From what people are seeing, it keeps those CPUs running cool, often under 70 degrees Celsius during heavy loads. But performance is only half the story here. Let's be honest, the main attraction for many is that infinity mirror pump cap. The ARGB lighting creates this really impressive depth effect that looks fantastic in a case with a glass panel. Plus, the cap rotates 360 degrees, so you can always get the logo perfectly straight. They also made a few smart choices for builders. The fans are daisy-chained, which means you have way fewer cables to manage. That's always a huge plus. Now, to offer this at its price point, there are a couple of trade-offs. The pump uses a 3-pin DC connector, not PWM, so you have a bit less control. And some have noted the fans can have a little wobble at max speed. But the thing is, for what you're getting, it's an incredible starting point for anyone stepping up to liquid cooling.